वेस्ट इंडीज के मायानाज क्रिकेटर पेशावर ज़िल्मी के हेड कोच डैरन सैमी, जो कि पाकिस्तान जूनियर लीग का भी हिस्सा है, इनकी पाकिस्तान से मोहब्बत और चाहत भी है। मुख्तलिफ मकामात पर विजिट भी करते दिखाई देते हैं। असगर अली परफ्यूम ब्रांड ने इनके नाम से डैरन सैमी DS88 परफ्यूम लॉन्च किया है। डैरन सैमी ने असगर अली परफ्यूम शॉप का विजिट किया। इस मौका पर न्यूज़ टाइम 1 के रिपोर्टर अली मोहम्मद से खुसूसी गुफ्तगू की। जानिए अली मोहम्मद की रिपोर्ट।
Being a part of this family, that Asgar Ali.
Oh, it's great. You know, if you look at it wrong, they do amazing stuff. I'm so happy to be associated with Asgar Ali, the perfume, my line they brought out. Everybody loves it. I hope you have one as well. But no, it's a great brand to be associated with. And
Do you prefer coaching or playing in the field?
obviously playing. Coaching, I have to rely on my players to make me look good. But when I'm playing, I make the coach look good. You know, so but we can't play forever. So I'm just happy that I could still give back to the game. You know.
Then why do you retire too soon?
No, it was my time to go. I don't want to stay and play long. God bless me. I played cricket professionally for 18 years.
Yeah.
And it was
And the
time
last
to go.
question: why all the cricketers like you, Shoaib Malik, are associated with perfumes? Is there any relationship between perfumes and the cricket?
I love smelling good. So if I love to smell good, why not share it with my fans? Allow them to smell good as well.
Thanks and regards.
You're welcome.